Good morning. Welcome to the International English Language Testing System. It's a mock us speaking test conducted by Maulik English Academy. This is Tavaswapnan and today I'll be your examiner. The examiner code is 36060 and the examining code is 100890. So this test is divided into three parts. Before going to the main part, I'll ask you some personal questions. Are you ready?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. First of all, I would like to know your name.
Yes, my full name is Andy Muntageslam Nahi, and you can just call me Nahi.
Where do you come from?
I was born in Pirojpur, but I live in Dhaka.
Okay. Do you study or work?
Yes, I study in class 5 in Manipur Uच्च Vidyalaya College.
Do you have any hobbies or interesting facts?
Yes, I have a hobby of drawing some pictures of some scenarios in my free time, and I also watch some videos on YouTube.
Okay, so let's move into the part one. Where do you buy most of your clothes?
I buy most of my clothes in New Market because in New Market there are varieties of clothes that I can buy.
How often do you buy new clothes for yourself?
I buy new clothes for myself in like every 2 to 3 months. Yeah.
How do you decide which clothes to buy?
I decide which clothes to buy by looking at it if it will fit me or not. If the cloth is good for me, I'll just buy it, or it's not, so I'll just don't buy it.
Yeah, also you have to take a look about the season and the weather.
Yeah.
Have the kinds of clothes you like changed in recent years?
Um, in recent years, many fashions and trends have come and gone. So I have changed my clothes in like recent years many times.
Okay, this is the end of your part one. Let's move into the part two. In this part, we have to describe an topic which is given in the cue card. And this, I'm giving you the cue card. You have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes, and you can think about the topic for 1 minute. For the help, I'm giving you a piece of paper and also a pen. You can if you wish, you can write down your notes here. Your time is now start. Yeah, your time is up. You can now start.
Okay, so I will describe an occasion where I had a discussion with my father about how to spend money. So last month I had a discussion with my father about spending money. So he told me how to spend money properly. So my father gave me pocket money in every week. So my father gave me money on Saturday, but the money got finished. And I finished the money in Wednesday or Tuesday. So in the last couple of days, I have to face some problems. So my father told me how to spend money properly and how not to waste
Waste
money
them.
waste money.
Okay. This is the end of your part two. Let's move into part three. Why do some parents give their children money to spend each week?
Um, some parents give their children to spend money each week because the children need to buy tiffins for schools and coachings, and they need to buy some accessories like pen and a notebook, etc. So yeah, they need to buy this, so they need money.
Okay. Do you agree that schools should teach children how to manage money?
Um, yes, I agree that the school should teach children how to spend money because some parents don't teach their children how to spend the money. So the school should always teach their children how to spend money properly.
Do you think it is a good idea for students to earn money while studying?
Um, uh, I think it is a good idea for the student's grade because if the student is reads reads in primary or high school, then he don't has a lot of time. He don't have a lot of time, and he need to work on his studies well. So if he no, if he start earning money this time, he cannot concentrate on his study. But if he is a student of university, so then he has very much time in holidays or
Vacations.
vacations. So in that time, he could do something to earn money.
Okay. Do you think is it true that in today's society money can't buy happiness?
I think happiness depends on the person's mindset. So if he is happy with us with his low amount of money or with lot of money, then it's his thing if he's happy or not. And if he is not happy with a lot of money, that it's his mindset. And I think happiness depends on the person's psychology if he's happy or not.
Okay. What disadvantages are there in a society where the gap between rich and poor is very large?
There are many disadvantages in a society where the gap between rich and poor are very large, because if the gap between rich and poor is very large, then the society becomes unbalanced and imbalanced, and the poorer side of the rich society can be involved in many kinds of crimes, and for them many people can be harmed and the society can be harmed.
Do you think richer countries have a responsibility to help poorer countries?
Yes, I think richer countries have a very big responsibilities to help the poorer countries, because the richer countries are have the power to help the poorer countries to be more self dependable on themselves.
Yeah. Well done. This is the end of the part 3 and also the end of the IELTS test. Thank you for coming here.